Hey, good afternoon. This is Riley here from McNaught, and I'd like to show you an amazing SUV we took in on trade. It's our 2017 GMC Acadia SLT-2. Now, for those of you looking to get into an SUV with more than 5 seats and plenty of room for those road trips, this is the perfect one. Let me tell you this, clean title, never been in an accident. You've got just over 22,000 kilometers, so not only are you going to have factory warranty, but also certified pre-owned warranty. And also amazing fuel economy coming from that 3.6 liter V6 motor, and that's going to be paired up with an 8-speed automatic, and it's all-wheel drive, so really great engine transmission combo. Now you've got the 20-inch aluminum wheels down here, plenty of tread left on those tires as well. Like I said, only 22,000 kilometers, so just like you'd expect. As we move around to the back end here, a couple key features. You've got the park sensors on the back, dual exhaust system, as well as a power tailgate. I'm going to get that opened up here, and we'll take a look at some of the cargo space you're dealing with. Now right now I've got the 2 rear seats folded down nice and flat. If you want to have those up, you've still got plenty of room, but with those seats down, that's going to allow you to store some golf clubs, some suitcases without a problem back here. And like I said, no matter how many passengers you have, whether you have 5 or 6, you've got plenty of configurability for whatever setup you want. Some hidden cargo space down there, a charge outlet on the wall there, so plenty of room and plenty of features for whatever you've got in the back seat. Now moving around the other side here, a couple key features. You've got roof rails up here. You've also got the side blind zone monitoring and proximity locks on the door handles, which is going to allow you to lock and unlock all 4 doors as long as the key is in your pocket. Now last but not least, on the front end, you've got the forward facing park sensors, as well as your fog lamps and HID headlights. So taking a look inside the Acadia SLT, you've got the jet black leather combination here on the seats, nice white stitching, fully power adjustable controls with lumbar support. And just behind the steering wheel, you're going to find your electronic park brake and brightness switch, as well as driver's memory seat settings, your 1 touch-down windows, power adjustable side view mirrors, and your power tailgate, which you could open up from the inside. Now last but not least, I want to show you this Bose badge. It's a Bose premium audio system in this vehicle, but you're going to have to come on down to McNaught to hear it for yourself. It's absolutely amazing. Now that we're inside the Acadia, take a look at some of the features you've got. Starting off with the steering wheel, you've got your cruise controls on the left, forward collision alert, as well as your hands-free calling buttons and your 5-point command center, which is going to help you configure that center screen right here on the dash. You've got the digital speedometer, of course, but you could display your radio info, the speed limit, or your fuel economy, whatever you want. That's not going to be an issue at all. Now this is the redesigned touchscreen for the 2017 GMC models. You've got the 8-inch touchscreen, obviously, full navigation right from the get-go, as you saw earlier. You've also got Sirius XM radio that's going to come free for 3 months, as well as Bluetooth phone pairing, projection for Apple CarPlay, and easy access to OnStar and your climate controls. Another cool feature they added is easy access to the camera. Now you've got a couple camera settings here. You've got the trailer. If you're backing up to a trailer hitch, you've got that perspective, as well as the standard view when you're just backing up into a parking spot. Hard radio controls are going to be located just underneath there, as well as your climate controls, dual zone with the LED indicator to show you what temperature you're set at. You've got the 6-way heated seats on the front, as well as a charge outlet and some USB ports for your convenience. Now the cool thing I love about these Acadias has to be the drive select terrain system, so you could change this to 4-wheel drive if you want. You've also got your your race mode, I should say, as well as your trailer towing mode and off-road mode. So great drive train system in this vehicle. Park sensors, as well as your lane departure warning right there, easily accessible. You've got the auto dimming mirror on the top, as well as your OnStar buttons, your sunroof controls, and your garage door transmitter. Now you've actually got a dual sunroof system in here. The first one is power slide and tilt, and the rear one is fixed, but that's going to let in a lot of nice natural light in here and open up the cabin. Now allow me to show you the back seat in the GMC Acadia. Nice great materials on the inside, wood grain trim, leather on the doors. These are the captain's chairs. You've got 2 comfortable seats in the second row. They're heated, I must add. As well, you have easy access into that third row if you go through the center aisle, or you're able to fold down these seats nice and flat using the handle right there. Now the back seat passengers have their own set of climate controls, which is great, but you've also got a full wall outlet to plug in a laptop, as well as some USB charge outlets and plenty of storage back here. So it's really comfortable no matter where you're sitting in the Acadia. So all in all, if you're looking for a great family SUV that's loaded with plenty of the latest safety and tech features, the GMC Acadia is a solid choice. This SLT-2 is well equipped with desirable options such as your sunroofs, your navigation, and that Bose audio system, so you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. If you're interested in it, just visit us at McNaught and our sales professionals will help you find the perfect vehicle.